What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve-O, the Rideshare Rookie, coming back at you. Finally feeling better. I do get to go back to my W-2 job tomorrow. Actually, we're going to be rotating and working at home, I believe, 3 days, 2 days in the office. But I got to address something because, you know, this, well, let me address this first. No Limitation Rideshare, my boy Bam. I consider him a really, really good friend, mentor. He's helped me improve my earnings. And recently he was sick pretty much the same time I was. So he posted a video about it, explaining why he decided not to go get tested. 2 reasons. Number one, he didn't want to be admitted into a hospital, leaving his great dog Daisy home alone. I mean, it's just him and Daisy, you know. So I can respect that. Also, you know, he makes a really good point in this video about elderly people, okay? Now, elderly people are more prone to actually die from this corona disease, guys, okay? And then you get this ass-faced troll that posts this on his channel, on the comments. And I'm glad that Bam pinned it, because a lot of us have ripped into this guy. What a piece of shit. This loser refused the test, then is gonna work and pass it on to some old person and kill him. F this trash human. Number one, if you watch the video, dumb fuck, he's not working. He said he has the apps for when he gets better, because New Orleans is on lockdown. So for you to take a shot at somebody I consider a friend, my boy, whatever, bro, you need to check yourself. Are you a fucking, I think you're McLovin. You look, no videos, nothing, right? So I just want to address that, you know, dude, dedicated, whatever. I lost it. Hold on, guys. We addressed this in the live stream last night. You know, that's just how I am. I'm gonna back my friends. I mean, that's just who I am, you know. Dedicated to medication. What the fuck? What kind of medication is what I'd like to know? You're a piece of shit. And you can see the 21 replies. Yeah, so you better watch who you're talking to, you piece of shit. Also, I believe Bam's going live tonight, calling out all the trolls. This clown I'm calling out, Mad Studios, and I got a feeling who it is. This loser. Where is he? He doesn't know how to shut the fuck up. That fucking Ginger too, boy. I'll tell you, he better keep my name out of his mouth, or he's got something coming for him soon. This piece of shit, okay? Clickbait hub, McLovin, loser, piece of shit. Alright? Look, I mean, guys, what do you full-time and Uber Lyft drivers do right now? You know, I mean, look, he's got 2 videos. Trump plans direct payments. I mean, come on, guy. Uber and Lyft are ending nationwide. Did you guys get an email or any kind of documentation in your app saying that we're shutting down? No. What the fuck? What an ass clown. Again, Uber and Lyft. Apps are down. Look at this video. Uber and Lyft drivers are suffering from the lockdown. 239 views. Alright? This ass clown's got 32, almost 33,000 subs, and you can only get that many views. It's called buying subs. Okay? And then his little community post and all this other bullshit. You don't own a Tesla, you're a loser. You always have been, and you always will be a fucking loser, McLovin. Alright? I really don't need to go any more on to this kid, except for I know he's probably got about 50 dummy accounts. Yeah, exactly. The end of Uber and Lyft. Uber and Lyft officially shut down nationwide hubs. That is accurate. 549 views. Uber drivers are getting sick nationwide. You know, there might be a few cases of drivers that have got corona, but I haven't seen a lot. My life as a New York City Uber driver during the lockdown. You're not in fucking New York. Oh my God. Uber and Lyft driving is ending. Guys, I got people in Orlando in my group chat that are still out there picking riders up. A lot of them have shifted to food delivery, Instacart, things like that, which I'm going to do once I start feeling better. It's time to quit Uber and Lyft. 10 ways to increase your earnings right now. Why I officially quit. I mean, the list goes on and on and on with this loser. Piece of shit. I don't even know why I'm giving you any of the time, but let's see if I can find something. I wanted to point this out to you guys. If I can find where he plugs his referral codes. Yeah. Okay, your name is not Gregory Wave, right? Your name is Dylan Heinrich, whatever the fuck you want to call it. But you plug in other people's codes. That's a violation. You're not supposed to do that. You're nothing but another West Coast fucking loser, softy, piece of shit. And I know, I'm 98% sure that trolls like this are your dummy accounts. You need to get a fucking life. And that goes for all trolls out there. Alright. Uberman Tampa, a good friend of mine as well. Talk about that real quick. He made a really good video. Let's see if I can find it. Good friend of mine. I mean, look at this video, and this video is not monetized. Look at the views. 5.5 thousand views. Man tested positive for the C virus. Refuses self-quarantine, then goes to Walmart. A little bit about this video, just so you guys know. This guy was pretending he had the virus, went Facebook Live saying he was going to contaminate people, and it just goes on and on and on, right? Yeah. So I'm sure he's gotten some troll. He did have some troll comments on one of his videos. I don't know which one it is right now. I think it was... Oh, it was about the stimulus check. A lot of people were talking shit to him about this. He has no control over this. 15 thumbs down, so give me a fucking break. There are definitely some people in here that are trolling him as well. And, you know, it's probably McLovin. So, that's all I got for this one. But I'm going to tell you guys, don't come at my friends on YouTube. And you know who my friends are on YouTube. And outside of YouTube. You know, I've named two of them. Uberman Tampa. My boy Bam, No Limitation Rideshare. Rideshare Revolution, Geo. Xander, the Lone Rideshare. There's plenty of you. Rideshare Lisa, Roy, No Crybaby Lifestyle. I know I'm forgetting a bunch of you guys, and I apologize that I'm just thinking on the top of my head. So don't come at my YouTube friends and family like that, because it's going to come back and bite you in the ass. And I dare one of you trolls to show up in the live stream tonight if Bam's able to do it. That's all I got for this one. Find something else to do with your freaking life instead of trolling people. And to call somebody trash, fuck you. That's all I got.